Be ready. Start. Ladies and gentlemen, Para, once again I am pleased to preside over your annual general meeting, and I am again able to report a successful year's trading, although the available balance is less than for the previous year. Para, the net profit for the year under review is 32,000 rupees, and from this figure the sum of 19,000 rupees has been allotted for taxation, an amount which I am sure you will agree is an excessive proportion of the company's earnings. In their report, the directors set out the manner in which they propose to deal with the available profits, and they are pleased to recommend a final dividend of 12.5%, making a total of 17.5% for the year, which compares with 33.5% before the company doubled its capital by the capitalization of its reserves in December last. Para, during the period since 1999, when we became a public company, more than 50,000 rupees have been retained out of profits for equipment and the more efficient running of the businesses. Para, your company has paid the same dividend over those 7 years, and this year the distribution is slightly higher. I think you will agree with me. These figures indicate that your company's business is very sound and in good order. During the year under review, profit margins were reduced in an effort to absorb extra cost and avoid passing these on the customer in an endeavor to limit exciting prices. Para, your board continues to pursue the policy of installing modern machinery because it is their view that only in that way can they complete on the best of terms within the last 2 months additional land and building adjacent to the company's work have plant and machinery to the value of 8,000 rupees has been installed during the year in accordance with company's policy to which I have had referred, and we still have machinery to the value of approximately 15,000 rupees on order. Para, I will conclude by expressing my thanks to our staff and work people for the way they have carried out their duties, and my appreciation of the loyal support I have received from my colleagues on the board. Stop.